The plot below shows the mean percent of sunshine during the year and the mean amount of precipitation in inches per year for the states in the U.S. Where on the graph are the states that have a large amount of precipitation and a small percent of sunshine? A large amount of precipitation is going to be in this direction, and a small amount of sunshine is going to go down. So in the bottom and the right side. The state of New York is the point 46, 41.8. Describe how the mean amount of precipitation and percent of sunshine in New York compared to the rest of the United States. And they've labeled that point on the graph. This is below many of the points, which would be a smaller amount of sunshine. It's lower on the y-axis. And then for the precipitation, if you go from 0 to 70, it's kind of in the middle of most of those points on the x-axis. So we can say that it has approximately the same as the middle of the data. Write a few sentences describing the relationship between the mean amount of precipitation and the percent of sunshine. If we were to draw a line through these points, I think the best type of line would be something like this. So we could say this relationship is nonlinear. And we can also say that as the precipitation increases, the percent of sunshine decreases. Which would make sense. The more it's raining, the less sunshine you would see. And vice versa. If there's not a lot of sunshine, those states might have more rain. And you can also say that this would have a negative trend because it's decreasing as you move towards the right.